Alright, so here is the best way on how you can buy tickets for FIFA World Cup 2026. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy to buy any FIFA World Cup tickets. What you can do is just simply head over to your preferred website. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. Just go ahead and open it up. What you gotta do is just simply type in FIFA.com and it will bring you to this site right over here. Now, what you have to do is just simply press on these three horizontal lines in the corner. Once you press on them, you'll see a few options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of shop. And right over here, you'll see three options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of tickets and hospitality. Go ahead and press on that. Once you press on it, right over here, you'll see a few options. Like start your FIFA World Cup 2026 journey by exploring our ticket options. You can just do the ticket option, and right over here, you can explore the ticket options. Your FIFA registration, FIFA resale exchange, ticket transfer, parking passes, sale phases, and many more. Now, you just gotta find your ticket accessibility tickets. Once you do that, here as you can see, it's published on 9th September, and you just gotta read through everything and make sure that you've read it. Now you just gotta go back, and right over here you'll see tickets option on the top. So if you press on it, right over here, as you can see, the portal is closed right now, but with the registration for sales, next sale phase, which will start on October 27th. So if you're watching this video right now, what you can do is just simply wait till October 27th, and then you just gotta follow through the same, and you'll be able to buy FIFA tickets from right over here. Because like this sales phase has been ended, and you cannot currently buy it. So what you can do is just simply wait till of October 27th and then buy the tickets from official site. So yeah, this is it. I hope this story actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.